Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. Here's your daily crypto wrap up, where we're going to go over the news in a very quick order. Let's start with the markets. Is Bitcoin back? We're going to look at that. Bitcoin coming in $49,000, and I've never been so excited to see the number 49. Guys, Ethereum coming in at $4,000. Hasn't really moved a lot today. It's up 2.3%, while Bitcoin is up 2.2%. If Bitcoin holds, expect Ethereum to move a lot tomorrow. XRP back up to 95 cents with a 10% pump today. Cardano 4.2% up, almost back to $1.30. Terra Luna and AVAX, big pumps. Polkadot also a 5.6% pump. Now, look at the biggest gainers of the day. We got Spell, IOTA, Loopring, Curve, Matic. Matic, I think, very close to all-time highs. But, guys, let's check out this chart because this is really interesting here. Oh, gosh, what have I done here? What have I done? Where is my watch list? Okay, here we go. Okay, so full chart. All right, so what I did is I was checking out just some lines. Just checking out some lines here. Let's go back to to a long-term, not a long-term, but since the peak, a trend line straight down, crossing, several key points. You guys can see here, touched here, basically touched there. Bounced off that again, and now down here. And then I also combine this with the shorter time frame on this recent down channel we're at. And I want to show you guys something. Now, yesterday I pointed out how we were in the oversold territory for the first time in a long time. But look at this recent pump. You can see this recent pump right now, even after the little bit of red that we've got at the end, we're now bouncing off of this trend line, and we are now easily above the recent trend line. What does this mean? What does this mean? It means a breakout. Bitcoin right now is in the midst of a breakout. This could be massive. This could be the start of the quick movement up. I don't know how fast it's going to be. Probably not 10 days. But, most likely this will be the beginning of a large move as we end the year here. I think that's what we'll see. Guys, for the news today, Bitcoin, Ethereum recovering, yada, yada, yada. But I thought this was interesting. Jack Dorsey, okay? Jack Dorsey is now backing Bitcoin, saying it's going to replace the dollar, and questions whether Web3 will be, something valid. Is decentralization is important. Well, of course, when you run, now he just stepped down, but when you're famous for running gigantic centralized companies and you pretend you're a person that cares about censorship, then yeah, you're not going to like Web3. You're going to like Bitcoin only. Now, I do believe Bitcoin will replace the digital dollar as the world reserve currency many years down the road. We still got to move from the dollar to the digital dollar. Then when that system goes belly up, they don't have anything else to transition to. That's when Bitcoin will come in. We're going to have a lot more videos about this here in the new future. If there's any kind of videos you want to see from me, we're going to be changing our content very drastically in the next, probably around the new year. So make sure to drop those comments down below if you got anything interesting that you think we should try or move to. We got some really exciting ideas. Really excited to show you guys for 2022. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.